Hello, digital entrepreneurs. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of online business opportunities and learn how to create a Facebook business account. If you're looking to take your social media presence to the next level, you're in the right place. The first thing we need to do is go to our favorite browser. Type Facebook Business in the search bar. I recommend opening the first link that pops up to make sure you get the most up-to-date information. On the Facebook business page, you will be given the option to log in with your Facebook or Instagram account. You can choose whichever you prefer. For this example, I will select to log in with Instagram. Just click Sign in with Instagram. You will now be redirected to Instagram, where you will need to log in with your username and password. This will link your Instagram account to your Facebook business account. Once you are logged in, you will have access to your Facebook business account. Remember that this platform provides you with powerful tools to analyze the statistics of your Facebook and Instagram pages. And that's how easy it is to create your Facebook business account. Now you're ready to explore the features and optimize your social media presence. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on digital entrepreneurship. Success in your online adventure.